everybody? You guys thought I was gone, didn't you? Thought I was done. I had people hitting me up saying, what's up, man, you done making YouTube? I had people hitting me up saying if I was done. I had people hitting me up asking when the next video is. I had people hitting me up, oh, hold on a second. I had people hitting me up asking me, you know, what's up? And well, I'm here today to talk to you guys and let y'all know, you know, where I've been, what we doing today, and all that fun stuff, right? One thing I wanted to mention, YouTube, I guess, is on the fritz lately, and by lately I mean within the last month or so. So make sure, if you're subscribed, which I hope if you're watching this you are, make sure you hit that bell notification so that way every time I put a video up, you get notified that I put the video up. Because I've had people messaging me, commenting videos saying that they did not know I put a video out. It's kind of expected in my situation with the channel just because I haven't been putting up a lot of content lately, but at the same time, other YouTubers that I do know have been saying that they've been having the same issue. So just make sure you know you're tracking on that. Hit that bell notification, and also please give this video a like. It means a ton to me. It's gonna help kind of get this video re-exposed, get it out there. I've been dormant for a little bit, so it's definitely gonna help me, and I greatly appreciate it. Oh man, all right, you guys. So I'm back. Little time went by. I honestly, I don't even remember the last thing I said to you guys. It's been like 3 or 4 hours went by. I think the last thing I said we were gonna do was we left the car wash and went, because I was gonna rinse the wheels off, but they weren't even, the truck wasn't super dirty, so I didn't do it. But yeah, so picking up, you know, where we left off and driving still. So yeah, where have I been? What I've been up to? All right, so a couple things I've been doing behind the scenes. One, I've been trying to get a detail business going on the side. So as you guys know, if you didn't know, for my new subscribers, I am, you know, active duty in the United States Marine Corps. That's what I do as an occupation. On the side, obviously I make YouTube videos. I work on my truck a lot, stuff like that. One big thing I've been doing lately was I was trying to get a detail business. I'm trying to, one second. I'm still in the process of kind of getting this detail business going on the side on the weekends and on my off time, detailing cars for, you know, money for the pocket, you know, money for the channel, for the truck bills, etc. It's been going good, you know. Like anything, you got to be real consistent. You got to, you know, you got to play to the field when you're trying to start up a business. All about establishing that rapport, clientele, all that stuff. But I've detailed some pretty cool stuff. You know, once I get established and a nice customer base, maybe I'll get, with the customer's permission, maybe I'll get a couple of videos of me detailing them. One truck I did do that stuck out to me was like a 2016 Dodge Ram 3500 dually, Laramie loaded. It was so nice. If I wasn't slammed on time detailing that truck when I was doing it, I would have definitely got that truck on film. It was 100% bone stock. It was an older lady. It was her husband's truck. He uses it to haul. They have horses. They use it to haul their horses to different events, such as, you know, carnivals and just, you know, things you would use horses for. The interior was trash. It was hay, dirt, mud everywhere on the carpets. I mean, I got that thing looking pretty good. So if you're in the local area, Jacksonville, North Carolina, hit me up. I do detailing on the side. You guys know you can reach out to me on Instagram. A lot of you do that already, asking me questions regarding your automobile, your truck, your Cummins. One thing I also got to say too is thank you guys for the ones that were messaging me, kind of just check up on you, make sure I was okay. I was 100% fine. There was nothing wrong with me. You know, everything's good, hunky dory. But you know, I have to mention that though. I really appreciate you guys out there that were hitting me up. One in particular, my boy Mikey Carper. If you're watching this, thanks brother for the checkup. Also, thank you for the products. I will be getting those products on video soon enough. My man Mikey went ahead and sent me some detailing products by a company that a lot of people probably haven't heard of, but they make really good stuff. So I'm definitely going to be trying to get that on film. In the beginning of the video, you guys may have noticed that you saw me pour a coolant additive into the truck. What that was Amsoil's coolant boost. What that's supposed to do is it's supposed to drop your coolant temps up to 25 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm experimenting with that right now. I poured it in my degas bottle because my radiator was actually full. I tried to add it to the radiator, but I barely was able to get like that much into it. So I'm hoping by putting in the degas bottle, maybe it can kind of slowly over time circulate its way into the actual block itself in the radiator, because I'd be curious to see. Right now, on a hot day, and by hot I mean 90 degrees and higher with a 75% humidity and higher, it's usually around 200, 201. On a cool day, below 90, it's like 195. So right now, it's at 196 coolant, and it's not hot right now. It's probably like, let's see. It is 79 degrees right now because there's like a nasty overcast, and it's probably about to rain within any second. But yeah, you guys, so we've been doing that. I know, I'm trying to think. Also, another thing that's been taking up a good of my time on the weekends was I recently acquired some land for hunting. I didn't purchase it, I'm just leasing it, because you guys don't know, deer season's coming up here in about a month. So me and a couple of my buddies, we acquired some hunting land. So we've been getting that ready, getting it ready for the deer. I got tons of pictures and yeah, pretty much pictures of deer on the property. For those of you guys that are into hunting and stuff, if you guys would like, I can definitely upload pictures and clips of the deer on camera. So if you're interested in that, make sure you comment down below. Also, if you would like to see vlogs of like what it looks like where we hunt at, I'll be more than happy to make a vlog of me showing you guys where we're at. It's like 85-ish acres. It's a nice spot for a couple people to hunt. So definitely looking forward to that. With the Cummins though, the truck, she's been doing good, man. I mean, I've been driving it every day. I parked her for about a week, 2 weeks ago, and I was driving the Impala. Once again, for those, if I keep saying for those of you that didn't know, it's because I know we have a lot of new subscribers that weren't here before when I made videos. So definitely, I'm just trying to get everybody like all on the same page, understanding. So I do have a 95 Impala SS Chevy. I drive that every now and then. I don't drive it as much as the truck just because it's the condition it's in. I'm trying to keep the miles low on it just because it's such a clean car and it rides so good, man. I mean, I can tell you that car is ready for a cross-country trip at any moment. I mean, this truck is too, you know. So definitely. Let's see what else we've been up to, man. I mean, really, that's been it, man. Adrian, my AMSO man, one of my day one dudes, man, sent me out that coolant additive, and in every video, if you're curious or willing or you want to inquire about AMSO products, hit him up. Call, text, email, hit him up. He will get you set up with AMSO. He will get you probably the best, most competitive price you can get for AMSO. You will be surprised how affordable AMSO is and how well it works. For those of you, you know, and I'm not trying to convince you to buy AMSO, by no means, but you know, if you're hectic, like, well, it's oil, like, you know, all oil does the same thing. Yes, it does on a base level, but to a scientific, you know, advanced level, no, they don't. Every oil does not do the same thing. I'm currently running AMSO, what is it, diesel marine, fully synthetic, 1040 or 1030. I think it's 10, whatever the recommended weight is for this truck. I think it's 1030. I'm currently running that on this truck. I got like 4,000 miles on it. I still can easily go another 10,000 miles. You can get double intervals. So recommended intervals for 2008 6.7 Cummins is 7,500 miles. So I can easily go 10,000 more miles on this same oil. And in the past, I've had a video where I did do an oil analysis and I tested my oil, and it got recommended for continued usage. So I've been chugging along, man, just driving. Transmission's doing good. For those of you guys wondering how the transmission is holding up, on my stock 68 RFE with the 37s and the 14 wides and the lift, and it's doing good. It hasn't skipped a beat. I have no issues with her right now. We got 165,000 miles and she's still going along, you know what I'm saying? So now the rain's starting to come down now. But yeah, you guys, I know I've been gone for a while. I know there's been a couple times where I've said, you know, I'll be back and stuff, but you know, man, things happen, and you just gotta kind of step away sometimes, you know. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, good thing. I'm just saying, you know, that's what you gotta do sometimes. You gotta prioritize your life, man. You know, if you're getting to the point where you're letting one thing consume you and take away from you, that's when you gotta like realize what's going on, you know. And, you know, the things you're missing out in life besides that, because there's way more to life than making videos. There's way more to life than putting all your eggs into one basket. So always remember that. Always remember that there's way more things you can do. And you know, that's kind of what I've been doing, you know, because you got to think, I started making YouTube videos last February, and up until March, my surgery, I was dropping content pretty much every week. I was being super consistent for a year long, man, and it doesn't look easy. It may look easy from you guys' view, but on a YouTuber, especially a part-time YouTuber, I'm not a full-time YouTuber. For a part-time YouTuber doing that is really, really impressive. Full-time YouTubers, that's a different story. You know, they got all the time in the world. You know, that's what that's their living. That's how they make a living. I don't rely on YouTube to make a living. So until that day comes, that's how it's gonna be. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, things to expect. Right now, I know I've been teasing you guys saying we got to put the traction bars on. We do. I still got the traction bars in the garage. I need to get them on. I've been super lazy about them. The only reason why I have to put them on is because I have to take the brackets to this off-road shop that I do business with and get them to weld those brackets onto the frame, and then we can install the traction bars. I also got to paint the traction bars too. Thinking about getting them powder coated just because they're going to be underneath the truck and a lot of rocks and junk is going to hit it. And the paint I use is really durable, but I don't know if it's going to be that durable. And I really don't want to be having to repaint the traction bars every year. You know, I know if I powder coat them, I'll probably get at least a good 2 years out of them before needing to repaint them, maybe longer. I don't do a whole lot of off-roading, but when I do, you know, sometimes get a little fishy, you know, so so definitely. But yeah, you guys, I'm here, I'm kicking. I definitely just wanted to drop this video. I would love to try. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna make a video tomorrow, but I definitely will be trying my best to get a video out to you guys as soon as possible. Please don't fall asleep on the channel, because back in March I had surgery and I was gone for about a month and a half, and some people fell asleep on me, and when I came back, they didn't even know it. But I came back swinging, and I came back dropping some fire content. You know, we upgraded the steering, we put 22x14 Anthem rims on the truck. We did a lot of stuff, man. So in that little time, that time when I came back, so we just pulled up to the house now. But yeah, man, I mean, that's it. I mean, shit, I got my deer corn right there. Tomorrow we're gonna be going out to the site, dropping some deer corn. That way we can, you know, keep feeding the deer, get their bellies nice and full. Hopefully winter comes, they'll still be around eating and stuff. That's the plan. If you're curious what I hunt with a crossbow. It's just a Barnett C5. It's an old crossbow. And I also hunt with, I'm going to be hunting this year for the first time with a 30-30 lever action. It's not a Henry, Marlin 30-30. There we go. I don't know why I can't think of it. So yeah, we definitely got that stuff going on. What else? Yeah, I mean that's really been it, you guys. Like, nothing crazy, man. I just feel, I don't know, man, I just feel weird. It feels weird because I haven't been making content like I was. Just, I don't know. One thing I think I'm going to start trying to do is I'm going to start bringing my camera with me when I leave work, or when I go to work. That way, when I get off of work, I can, if I'm not going to make a video at the house working on the truck, at least I can make a vlog video, diesel vlog, talking about something. You know, whether it's whatever. I've been getting tons of questions. I still follow my Instagram. My Instagram link is down below in every video in the description. Follow the Instagram, because every video, or I get people answering or asking me questions all the time. And I'm still on Instagram. I'm very active. I'm live on Instagram. I'm always talking to people and answering their questions. A lot of new diesel owners are asking me questions, which I have no problem with. You guys that have messaged me, you know, you can comment down below and tell people, like, hey, you know, you can tell them how it was, pretty much. I definitely put videos up on my story. I put posts up on there still. So I'm more active on Instagram right now than I am on YouTube, just because it's quicker to do it. I can do it on my phone. I don't have to process, edit, chop, you know, do all that stuff to videos. So definitely make sure you're following the Instagram. With that, yeah, we got some potentially turbo stuff happening. Not going to drop too much details on that. We have a light review, fog light review I'm going to be doing for a company called Last Fit. For those of you that don't know, I run Last Fit LED bulbs all around my truck, even on the inside. I just turned that light on. It's super bright. It looks dark behind me because of the autofocus on the camera, but it's super bright. I use Last Fit lighting. I mean, shit, you can see right there. So turn them off, turn them on. All right, that's my Last Fit light bulbs. You know, I got the fog lights off now. Then you turn the fog lights on. and they're on now, so they're really bright. My windshield's also tinted. I got the brow tinted, but also the glass is tinted like 35-40%, I don't remember. So if it looks like it's not bright, it's just, that's why. It's not because they're dim, they're really bright. Last Fit was kind enough to send me out some fog lights, so I'm definitely going to be putting those on the truck soon, so that way we can get a review in for them and see what they're working with. But I know for a fact that they're going to be good, because Last Fit makes some really good stuff, and the thing is they're affordable. You guys know me. If I'm doing reviews, I try to find the best bang for your buck. That doesn't mean I settle for the cheap shit. It just means that I try to find things that are value with cost, you know what I'm saying? I'm not going to just slap any old thing on this truck and make videos about it, because you guys know me. I'm not going to sit here and be putting out content just to put out content. So definitely, absolutely. But other than that, you guys, that's it for now. I'm going to wrap this video up. I got some stuff I got to take inside. Please do me a favor. Make sure you hit, if you made it this far in the video, make sure you hit that bell notification for the subscription. Subscribe, number one. Like this video, because I kind of haven't been around for a minute. Make sure you like this video, so that way you know, it gets out there to people and whatnot. All right, so until next time, you guys take it easy, be safe, peace out. I love you all. Thank you guys all for the inquiries and then checking up on me. Thank you guys for supporting the channel, watching the videos, liking, comment, sharing. For all my new people, welcome to the channel Everything Diesel, where we do everything on diesels. Pretty much, you know. You can just be, you don't need to be a mechanic, you don't need to be a you know, college degree ASE certified mechanic to work on these trucks. All you need is some tools, some want to, can do, and some will do, and you can work on these trucks. They're super simple, and that's really why I started this channel, just to let people know, hey, you can work on this truck. You just gotta have that confidence to do it yourself. You know what I'm saying? So until next time, y'all take it easy, be safe, peace out.